Welcome to the Unravel View channel, exploring the wonders of our world and beyond. What I wish I knew at 20 instead of 30. There's a simple, science-backed method that can help you fall asleep in just 2 minutes. In our always-on world, finding an off switch for our minds feels impossible. But this isn't a gimmick. It's a proven technique developed for people in the most stressful situations imaginable. Imagine lying down, following a few easy steps, and feeling your mind and body relax deeply. Within 2 minutes, you're not just closing your eyes, you're truly asleep. No special equipment, no supplements, just you, your bed, and a willingness to let go. This is a skill anyone can learn, anywhere, to reclaim restful sleep. Let's unlock this secret together and change your nights and days for the better. We all know the frustration of staring at the clock as the hours tick by. The world is quiet, but your mind is racing, replaying conversations, worrying about tomorrow, or running through endless to-do lists. Every sound feels amplified, and the harder you try to sleep, the more awake you feel. Your body tenses, your heart beats faster, and you're stuck in a cycle of anxiety and exhaustion. This isn't just in your head, your body is on high alert, making sleep even harder to reach. The next day, you're groggy, irritable, and everything feels harder. This nightly struggle is a shared human experience. Recognizing this pattern is the first step toward breaking it. You're not alone, and there is a real, practical solution. Let's find out how to finally quiet the noise and get the rest you need. Chronic sleep deprivation is a hidden epidemic. 1 in 3 adults aren't getting enough rest. This isn't just about feeling tired, it's a serious threat to your health. Lack of sleep weakens your immune system, increases your risk for major illnesses, and prevents your body from healing. Mentally, it impairs focus, creativity, and emotional stability, straining relationships and making daily life harder. Drowsy driving and mistakes at work are real dangers. The cost to our health and happiness is enormous. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for a healthy, productive life. It's time to take sleep seriously and make it a priority. The solution we'll explore was developed by the U.S. military for soldiers and pilots who needed to sleep under extreme stress. Imagine trying to rest in a noisy barracks or a combat zone, yet peak performance depended on it. The military needed a reliable way to help their people switch off and rest on command. After 6 weeks of practice, 96% of pilots could fall asleep in 2 minutes. This method systematically relaxes the body and quiets the mind, even in the worst conditions. If it works for them, it can work for you. Here's how to use the military sleep method. Get comfortable, lying down or sitting, as supported as possible. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Relax your face, unclench your jaw, soften your eyes and smooth your forehead. Drop your shoulders, release tension from your neck and upper back. Let your arms go limp one at a time, from biceps to fingertips. Breathe deeply as you relax your chest and stomach, letting go of any tightness. Move your focus to your legs. Relax your thighs, calves, ankles, and feet, feeling them sink and grow heavy. Now quiet your mind. Picture a calming scene, like floating on a calm lake or lying in a dark hammock. Hold this image for 10 seconds. If thoughts intrude, gently return to your peaceful image. Alternatively, repeat don't think for 10 seconds to block out worries. The key is to give your mind something simple and calming to focus on. Practice this sequence every night. With consistency, your body and mind will learn to respond. If you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. This technique is a skill. Like learning an instrument, it takes practice. Don't expect instant results. Focus on relaxing your body and clearing your mind, even for a few moments. Your mind is used to racing at night. Now you're training it to be still. Each night you'll get a little better. Maybe your mind stays quiet longer or your body relaxes more deeply. Celebrate small victories and be patient with yourself. Consistency is key. Over time, the process will become automatic. Remember, even military pilots took weeks to master this. Approach each night as an experiment in relaxation, not a test. Consistent, quality sleep transforms your life. You'll wake up refreshed, with more energy, patience, and resilience. Your focus, creativity, and memory will improve, and that brain fog will lift. Physically, your immune system strengthens, inflammation decreases, and you recover faster from exercise. Even your appearance can improve: brighter eyes, healthier skin. Everyday challenges feel manageable, and you're more present with loved ones. This isn't a fantasy, it's what good sleep makes possible. By mastering this technique, you're investing in a happier, healthier you. The military sleep method works best with healthy sleep habits. Keep a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, to regulate your body clock. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Read, listen to music or stretch. Avoid screens and stressful activities. Make your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Use blackout curtains or white noise if needed. Avoid caffeine, large meals, and alcohol before bed. Limit screen time in the hour before sleep to avoid blue light disrupting melatonin. Combine these habits with the technique for the best results. In a world that glorifies hustle, sleep is often sacrificed, but it's essential, not optional. You deserve deep, restorative rest. Practicing this technique is an act of self-care and self-respect. Each night you try, you're investing in your health and happiness. Share this method with others. Many are silently struggling, just like you. Together we can reclaim our nights and wake up ready to embrace each day. Your rest is vital. Protect it, nurture it, and know you are worthy of it. Sleep well.